Welcome back to SCQ. Scores in the match so far. Manchester High are on 3 points, Monroe College on 6. Manchester High lost a point because the answer to the question, the music question, Shabba Rank's ting-a-ling is actually ting-a-ling-a-ling. So they lost that point. As we speed into the second section, our speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Monroe College, you won the toss and decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which prophet declared that he was among captives by the river of Chebar?
Ezekiel.
That's right. Which phylum in the animal kingdom has a name which means jointed legs?
Arthropoda.
That's right. Identify the preposition in the sentence. Sherry threw the ball over the kitchen counter.
Over.
Through came first. Over is indeed the answer. What is the official language in Angola?
Portuguese.
That's right. Strong winds through which strait give the New Zealand capital the nickname Windy
Cook
Wellington? Correct. What is the relative atomic mass of nitric acid?
46. 63 grams per mole.
That's 63 grams is correct. What is the sum of 3 1/3 and 1 3/4? Giving your answer, that's 5 1/12. Who was the Prime Minister of Great Britain?
No.
The first Prime Minister.
Robert.
That's right. Name one of the men who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1957 for discovering violations. That's Chen Ning Yang or Sung Dao, the principle of parity conservation. What is the English translation for al principio? And didn't give you a chance to answer that one. That's at the beginning or at first. Well done, gentlemen, for your first minute. Manchester High School, we're coming over to you now. Time for your first minute. In the opening chapter of which book of the Bible is the city of Jerusalem besieged by King Nebuchadnezzar?
Daniel.
That's right. In which phylum in the animal kingdom do ragworms and leeches belong?
Nematoda.
No, Annelida. Identify the adjective in this sentence. Linda Mackenzie has 5 children.
5.
That's right. Dutch is the official language in which South American country?
Suriname.
Suriname is correct. Which body of water does Turkey border to the west?
Adrian Sea.
That's right. I believe another answer came first previously, so that won't be accepted. To the nearest whole number, what is the molar mass of sulfuric acid?
Come again.
Pass, 98 grams per mole. What is the result when 2 3/4 is subtracted from 5 1/3, and that's 2 7/12? Who was the first Prime Minister of Australia?
Australia.
Pass.
Edmund Barton, who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1966 for the discovery and development of optical methods, and that's Alfred Kastler. What is the English translation for asimismo?
At the same time.
That's right. What type of peripheral device is used to generate hard copies? And we won't have time. Well done, Manchester, for your first minute there. Coming back to you, Monroe College, for your second minute. What type of peripheral device allows you to use point-and-click technology to interact with the computer? That's right. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel What Storm, What Thunder?
Miriam. Syria.
Good. Miriam Chansey. Complete the Jamaican proverb, new tech ugly.
McLaugh.
Not tech ugly, sorry. McLaugh is correct still. Je voudrais un café. What did you order?
Coffee.
Black coffee.
Just coffee.
Right.
I think black coffee should be acceptable. Who will replace Ron Klain as the White House Chief of Staff for U.S. President?
Good.
That's correct. What is the name of the first album released by Sam Smith in 2023?
Sam Smith.
Gloria. In the Bible, what was the name of Elkanah's wife who provoked his other wife, Hannah? Sorry?
Penina. Who provoked? Penina.
Penina is correct. What is the name for the, I believe something else came first, the name for the physiological process through which new blood vessels form from pre-existing vessels?
Vassogenesis.
Oh, sorry?
Vassogenesis.
No, angiogenesis. Spell eschatology. And you won't have time. It's eschatology. Not sure if the judges will accept black coffee. I think you're being too specific there because it doesn't, right? So coffee is the answer there. All right. Well done, Monroe, nevertheless, for your second minute. Manchester High, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel Island Queen?
Pass.
Vanessa Riley. Complete the Jamaican proverb, play fool fee.
Catch white.
That's right. Je voudrais de l'eau. What did you order?
Water.
That's right. Who is the Deputy Prime Minister of Canada?
Canada. Pass.
Christia Freeland. What is the name of the first album released by Shania Twain in 2023?
Trouble.
Queen of Me in the Bible. What was the name of David's wife who was barren after she ridiculed his enthusiasm in worship? Sorry? Michael, yes. What name is given to the fluid drained from blood capillaries in vertebrates as a result of high pressure?
Plasma.
No, it's a lymph at the arterial end of capillary network. Spell accoutrement or accoutrement.
Pass.
Accoutrement, who is the Member of Parliament for South East St. Catherine in Jamaica.
Dwight.
Dwight Sibley's.
No, Robert Miller. How many official languages does Belgium have?
1.
3. Kenya is bordered to the west by a large body of water, and one country, name them?
Lake Victoria and Uganda.
That's right. Well done, Manchester, for your second minute. Gentlemen, coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. Who is the Member of Parliament for Eastern Westmoreland in Jamaica? That's right. How many official languages does Switzerland have?
2 or 1?
2.
4. Kenya is bordered to the north by which two countries?
Tanzania.
No. Wait. Ethiopia and Somalia.
No, South Sudan and Ethiopia. What is the stage name of the artist Alyssa Michelle Stevens?
Alicia Keys.
No, a Lato or Big Lato. What is the chemical formula for phosphorus pentachloride?
Pentachloride.
CL5.
That's right. What is 8% of 150?
151.5 times 8. So about 12.
That's right. Who plays the role of Shuri in the 2022 movie Black Panther? That's correct. In what year did Germany join the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO?
1955.
Good. Which country did Jamaica play in the Davis Cup tennis tournament in February 2023? Correct. In Einstein's mass-energy relation, what does the common C represent? That's correct. Give the English equivalent for me mandó dormir.
Wait. I am sleeping.
He ordered me to sleep. Which Caribbean author wrote the play Man Better Man? No, Errol Hill. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. Manchester, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the stage name of the British indie rock band that debuted with a single Chaise Lounge in 2021?
Pass.
Wet Leg. What is the chemical formula for lithium fluoride?
LIF.
That's right. What is 9% of 120 to the nearest whole number?
159. Pass.
11. Who plays the role of Darcy in the 2022 movie Shotgun Wedding?
Pass.
Jennifer Lopez. In what year did Spain join the North Atlantic Treaty Organization? 1982. Whom did Novak Djokovic defeat in the 2023 Australian Open? Stefanos Tsitsipas. In Einstein's mass-energy relation, what letter and case represents mass defect?
Common M.
Capital M. Give the English equivalent for le aconseje esperar.
Pass.
I advised you or him to wait. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel is just a movie?
I love this.
That's right. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Constant sprinkle better than?
Sun shower.
That's right. In the Bible, which man lived to 905 years old?
Enos.
That's right. Which specific acid's scientific name is phytonadione?
Hydrochloric acid.
No, vitamin K. Vitamin K is what I have. Well done, lady and gentlemen. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores look to be Manchester High on 15 points. Monroe College going slightly ahead to 23. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us, please. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this. We go to the break.